Hello, today we are going to talk about INDFI business loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for INDFI business loan. Having minimum turnover more than 20 lakh. Co-applicant age should be between 23 year to 65 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 650 and -1 CIBIL applicant. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 1 lakh to 50 lakh. Tenure will be 12 month to 36 month. Rate of interest will be 17% to 30% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 2 days for sanction and 3 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4% of the loan amount. Processing fees will be 3% of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory. Co-applicant is mandatory if applicant is other than proprietorship firm. Business vintage should be 1 year. Processing fee will be online. Ownership proof is required, either office or residence. One should be owned anywhere in India. Experience with current employer should be 6 months. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of INDFI business loan: 1 year business vintage required, both side rented applicant. Location will be Pen India. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are school, advocates, share traders, real estate. No specific product for professionals. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2 year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant if company, or list of partners, if applicant is partnership LLP.